I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to remove a Jeep Wrangler shift knob. First, gather your tools, including a flathead screwdriver and a trim removal tool. Always ensure your Jeep is parked safely with the parking brake engaged. Begin by locating the trim piece at the base of the shift knob. Carefully use your trim removal tool to pry up this trim, working slowly to prevent any scratches or damage to your interior. After the trim piece is loosened, gently lift it to reveal the shift boot underneath. This boot is usually secured by several small clips or a retaining ring. Take your time to carefully unclip or detach the boot from its console mounting points. Once freed, slide the entire shift boot assembly down the shift lever shaft, moving it completely out of the way of the knob itself. Now focus on the base of the shift knob itself. You will find a small retaining clip or pin that secures it to the shift lever. Using a small flathead screwdriver, carefully pry open this retaining clip. Be gentle to avoid bending or breaking it. Once the clip is disengaged, grasp the shift knob firmly and pull it straight upwards with steady, moderate force. It should then slide completely off the shift lever. Before installing your new shift knob, take a moment to inspect both the lever and the new knob for any potential damage. To reinstall, align the new knob with the shift lever and push it down firmly until it seats properly. Make sure the retaining clip snaps securely into its groove, holding the knob in place. Finally, slide the shift boot back up and carefully reattach the trim piece, ensuring all clips are engaged.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.